Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to be performing a DcSync attack with Metasploit, and right now we do have a session or a shell with Meterpreter with the NT system. So we are going to be doing a DcSync attack, and a DcSync attack, what it does is it lets you basically get the hash from any user, right? So you're going to be able to request any user's hash by doing the DcSync attack. So right now, since we are the NT system, we won't be able to do DcSync. So therefore, we're going to have to impersonate the administrator for us to be able to dump the hashes for anybody. So let's go ahead and do sessions. See that we have session 13. So let's go ahead and use session 13. If you do a get UID from here, you can see that we are the NT authority system. So if you drop to the shell, and if you go to like host name, you can see that we are in the AD, which is a domain controller. Do ipconfig. This is the .50 in here. Awesome. So let's go ahead and go back. So what do we need to do from here? How do we impersonate? Well, since you guys remember from the previous video, we use incognito. So use incognito, then you use help. So from here, you want to do the list tokens and -u, and you're going to see the available users in here. And the one that we want to do is the administrator, because the administrator has access to replicate and he has the highest privilege. So he's able to do whatever he wants. So that's the one that we want to use to do this. So therefore, let's go ahead and do impersonate token, and we want to impersonate this guy over here, but we want to add another backslash over here, because if you do a single backslash, it doesn't work for some reason. Double backslash, impersonated successfully. So we get UID. We are the pen testing administrator, right? So now we can go ahead and load Kiwi. And when we load Kiwi, we get more. We just loaded this Kiwi, and from here, what we want to do is we want to first do. We are going to do the Kiwi CMD, and from Kiwi CMD, we are going to do a single quote, double quote, single quote, double quote. So inside over here in the middle, or actually, it is single quote, double quote, double quote, single quote. There we go. Inside over here, we want to do an LSA dump, and for an LSA dump, you want to do double colons, and then you want to specify what you want to do, which is a DcSync attack, and which one is the user that you want to get the hashes from. So it's the administrator. So what this is going to do is going to dump the administrator's hashes or hash, and there we go. You can see that we have it over here, and it's the BHFE, and we already did the entire we did a dump for the entire domain controller. So you can see over here that it is the same, and the one that we actually are more interested is in the krbtgt, and the krbtgt is a service account for the the krbtgt account is the service account for the key distribution service, right? So if we go, I got lost. If we go over here we go, the hash NGLM, we have it over here. So whenever you have the hash for the krbtgt account, you basically have a golden ticket. So you can create a golden ticket, and that's what we're going to be doing on a later video. So that's how you perform a DcSync attack, and if you can do it from any user. Let's do it for like student 1, which is another user. You can get over here student 2. You can do a DcSync attack for basically any user you want, so you have access to the entire system. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.